I'm Lily Evans, I'm from Dechrau'n and I'm the leader. We've got a wide variety of children that attend this setting. So we have some that speak Welsh at home, we have some that English is their first language, and then we have some which English or Welsh is not their first language. We provide wraparound services to other nurseries and other schools, which allows the children then to come up to here to the age 13, and it just allows them to become a part of our family. We as a setting find Flying Start absolutely amazing. They help, they provide. If we are stuck with anything or just have a question to ask, they're there at the end of the phone. They provide us with equipment, they provide the staff with ample amount of training, provide the parents with training, we do little cooks training for the parents as well, and it's just so many opportunities that wouldn't be given if this was in a Flying Start area. So Flying Start do come out and observe and have a look around and just see as a setting what we can do to become better and better and better.